Hello friends, welcome to Study Resource. In this video we will discuss about how to draw India map within few seconds, because in any competitive exam while writing answers in geography or any making of any code, referring India map is one of the best impression for examiner to review your answers. So just a small tips only, in a small tips, just three. Based on three, around 75% of the map will do India map. 3 inverse 3 and inverse 3, with these both we can do around 75% of the map. So how to draw the 75% of the map with 3, and next we will use just V shape. So I will explain how to do this, and first we will do inverted 3, mirror image of the 3, and from here you have to start here also one more 3, just mirror image of the 3 like in this type, and here one more 3, just here 1 3 completed, here second 3, and here third 3 in like this shape, and one small V here, and you have to do like this, and here chicken neck corridor, and like this, and here this is the chicken neck corridor. So from here you have to northern part of the Bangladesh, and one more 3 here like this 3, and one more 3 here, and one more 3 here, and here V shape, here V shape, and we connect these two, and this is the total northern part of the India shape was completed. And just we will go to the south. Here you will draw one V from like north to south straight line model. From here you can start here you will just like keep like this, and you will connect this one, and here you will do like one knot here, just go inside like this, and again you will like this. Friends, I think you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Here total like this only, it means just within few seconds with 3. Once again I will explain, just 3 here. See, one more here, 1 3, here 1 3 means inverted 3, and here 1 3, and here also again 3, and here also again 3, and this is the V shape, South India total V shape, and here also V shape. So just with 3s and V shape we will completed the total India map. Thank you for watching.